Hello! Today we're going to review the Lightseers Tarot. So, meron din akong book. Actually, iba yung purchase ko dito sa Tarot of Lightseers book dito sa mismong tarot. Favorite ko kasi itong tarot deck na to, kaya napabili ako nito. So, pakikita ko sa inyo to mamaya. Now, let's start with this, the Lightseers Tarot. Binili ko siya sa Amazon. May available din ako nito sa Shopee. If interested kayo, you can check the link below for my shop. So, you could check all the tarot cards na ni-review ko na binibenta ko. Na for sale na ngayon. So, ito yung itsura niya. Actually, meron ding nito pocket size. Pero this one is the regular size. Yan siya. Ito yung back niya. So, it cost $24.99. Alright, buksan na natin. Ito talaga yung kasama niyang guidebook. So, maliit lang siya. And then, meron siyang spread, kung paano ka mag-i-spread. Tapos, black and white siya. Meron siyang reverse meaning. The shadow seer, that is the reverse meaning. And then the light seer, that's the upright meaning. Ayun. Actually, 2 pages siya per tarot card meaning. Kaya medyo makapal siya. Ayan. So, maliit lang siya. Kaya makapal siya. So, tignan na natin yung tarot deck. Ganyan lang siya sa loob. Parang meron siyang araw. Tabi ko siya. So, muna, yung back niya, pwede siyang reverse. Pwede mo siyang yung reverse reading, hindi siya halata. Maganda rin siyang pang reverse. And then, gamit na gamit ko na kasi to, kaya talagang may mga dents na siya. Ayan. Pero bumili ako nito ng 3. So, meron pa akong available sa Shopee na 2. So, yung quality niya, maganda yung quality niya. Hindi siya basta nabibend. Hindi siya yung tipong pag kinasino, mo siya, kasino shuffle, hindi siya nagbe-bend. So, kinakasino shuffle ko siya, nakita niyo, straight pa rin siya, hindi siya nagbe-bend. And, makapal siya makapal tong card. Kaya, pag ginrub mo siya, medyo makapal siya. Compare sa ibang tarot, no? Mag-ano tayo ng iba. This one is the Wizard Tarot. Ayan no, mas makapal talaga siya. So, maganda yung quality niya kasi makapal siya. And, compared to the other tarot, no, mas matagal ko na kasi siyang ginagamit. So, hindi siya, yung dents niya is given kasi sobrang tagal ko na niyang ginagamit. Lagi ko tong ginagamit. So, ang ganda ng quality. Tapos, plus the illustration, favorite ko talaga to. Ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. Kaya napabili ako ng book. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung book later. So, ito siya. If madalas kayo nanonood ng YouTube tarot, makikita nyo, madalas din tong gamit. So, sikat na sikat siya. And, affordable pa. So, ito yung the Fool. The Magician. Yung illustration niya din, napakadaling basahin. pwede siya sa beginner na nagtataro. So, ito yung High Priestess. Kung mapapansin niyo yung High Priestess, nakapikit siya, pero open yung eyes niya. Ayan, i-zoom natin. Pero nakapikit siya. That's the High Priestess. It's, diba? Trust your intuition. So nice. The Empress. So, yan. Buntis yung Empress. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng color, ang ganda ng illustration. Sobrang this is my favorite talaga. The Emperor. So, hawak niya yung king sa chess piece. That's the Emperor. The Hierophant. So, ito yung the Hierophant. Ayan. The Lovers. Ang kagandahan sa book na to, kaya ako bumili ng book, every symbol here, may meaning pala yun. Well explained siya sa book. The Chariot. Strength. The Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. The Justice. The Hangman. Death and Rebirth. The Temperance. The Devil. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. The Judgment. And the World. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. 10 of Wands. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. King of Wands. Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. Six of Swords. Seven of Swords. Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords. 10 of Swords. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords. King of Swords. Ace of Cups. Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. Eight of Cups. Nine of Cups. 10 of Cups. Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. King of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. So, ang gaganda ng mga image niya, no? Kapag, siglit lang. Ayan. Kapag shuffle natin siya, usually kasi, pag nag-shuffle ako, pag ganyan. Pero, minsan, sinashuffle ka din siya, parang casino shuffle, yung ganyan. Hindi siya nagbe-bend, kasi makapal siya. Magandang quality siya. Yung texture niya is, hindi siya matte, hindi din naman siya glossy. Ang ganda rin yung pag ganito mo siya shuffle sa ganyan. Sobrang nice niya. Ayan. Ang ganda niya i-shuffle. So, ayun. For me, favorite ko siya eh. So, 10 out of 10 siya para sa akin. And with the price, actually sa Shopee ko, it's just around, let me check. It's just around $1,600 plus. Yeah. With the price, okay na siya. Compare sa mga tig 4,000, 3,000 na na tarot, this one, highly recommended ko siya. So, itong book na to, bukod to na binili ko for this. So, next video na lang siya. Ayun, if you have any tarot, Lenormand, or oracle in mind that you want me to review first, let me know. Baka meron ako dito, uunahin ko siya. But if not, I'll try my best to find it. And then, review natin siya. Yan lang. So, see you in my next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!